I'm Noah. I work for Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, and I'm an HVAC service tech. So I want to work at Pipe Wrench because the work-life balance, so good. I get to spend time with my family along with the work that I do here. Also, I get to help customers. When they're in need, they need heat, they need air, I'm right there and I get to be on the job, get to meet and greet them and get to take care of their needs. So before Pipe Wrench, I worked in retail for many years, customer service. I've always loved people. I love communicating with them. And when I moved to this spot, I got to just kind of pick up where I left off. I'm just meeting another need of theirs. All right, so the work that I get to do here is awesome. I actually get to troubleshoot people's units. Sometimes it's challenging. It's always something different every day that I get to do. And the customer has a need and I'm there to try to meet that need and help them out and get their system running as good as it can. So I enjoy that challenge of something different every day. All right, so outside of work, I'm very active in my church. I love spending time with my family. I've got I married my high school sweetheart. It's 19 years. I've got a 16-year-old son. Love spending time with them. I like to go turkey hunting. I like to play golf. Just spending time with family. That's the main thing, being outside. That's what I like.